In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate simple math in tables. If you've ever wished you could do quick math right inside a table without reaching for a calculator, this is exactly what you need. The method is simple. You type your calculation directly in a cell, add an equal sign at the end, and confirm it with the spacebar. The table will instantly convert that into the final number, saving you time and keeping your data clean. Let's start with an inline calculation example. Click into any table cell and type your formula in one continuous line. For instance, type 150,105 to represent 150 multiplied by 1.05. The asterisk is your multiplication symbol, and 1.05 represents a 5% increase on 150. Immediately after that formula, type an equal sign so your cell shows 150 plus 1.05, and then press space. The moment you press space, the table evaluates the expression and replaces it with the result. This is great for quick markups, adjustments, or simple multiplications right where your data lives. A couple of tips to make this smooth. Keep the expression tight with no spaces inside the formula. That helps the table recognize it as a calculation rather than plain text. Use a period for decimals, as in 1.05, and stick with the asterisk for multiplication. If the result doesn't appear, delete the equal sign, retype it at the end without adding any extra spaces in the middle, and press space again. If you want to revise the number after it converts, you can undo and retype, or simply replace the value with a new inline formula. Now let's talk about subtraction because it has one important rule. No spaces anywhere in the expression. Type your subtraction exactly like this, 50 to 10 rows, and then press space. Notice that there are no spaces before or after the minus sign, and the equal sign comes right at the end. If you insert a space, for example 50-10, it may be treated as text and won't calculate. Keeping it compact ensures the table understands you want a result. To recap, for inline calculations, type your formula, immediately add an equal sign, and press space to get the answer. For subtraction specifically, make sure there are absolutely no spaces, like 50 to 10 or less, then press space. With these two habits, you can perform quick, accurate math directly inside your tables and keep your workflow fast and tidy.